Hi everyone, a native Slack integration in our automation module in Stackby. Now let's say you're managing your inventory for your products. So you've got, your products, your purchase orders and your sales orders, and you have the real-time inventory. These are the units ordered and these are the units sold, and you have the real-time inventory. Now you want to add a Slack notification where, let's say, the inventory goes less than 100. You basically want to send a Slack notification to one of your channels that we need to order, that particular product. So let's see how it goes. So you go to automations. Now in this case, what we'll do is we'll basically add a trigger where row matches a condition. And in the products table, we'll see whether inventory is less than 100. I can choose a row. We only see that there is one row, that is there, which is less than 100. Now, what I can do is I can also send an email notification, right, of low stock alert. Let's say with this product stock is low, please reorder with the supplier. We have also added a new action for Slack where you can send a message to any of the channels. So you basically select the Slack message, and based on that, you basically select your Slack account. Now, what I can do is I can connect a new Slack account, or I can manage my connected accounts. I've already connected it once. So you just go through the authentication process of connecting a Slack account. Once it's authenticated, all your channels will show up like this, right? So let's say if I want to add it to the random channel, and here I can add a message, a custom message where the stock is running low for that particular product. Please stock an order today. So what I can do is I can do a generate preview, or I can just run it as a configuration. So what I can do is I can do a run test. So it tells me that a row is created. Message has been sent in Slack. Now if I go to the Slack channel, in the random, you will see that Stackby bot is already added, and it gives me a message that the stock is running low for pineapple. Please restock an order today. So you can basically choose any of your Slack channels and add any custom messages that you want to add. So this is how you can connect your Slack directly, into Stackby and create custom automations, with Slack. All I need to do is just trigger this on, and it will automatically run on every, stock alerts. So let us know what you think and what kind of workflows, you can build on Slack. Cheers.